This video will show you how to download and install AyaBlocks app directly to your Android phone since it is not in the Google Play Store to help save you money. Select to download app to start the process. You may be prompted to allow for third-party apps in your phone settings. Select Allow to install the app. Now that you have allowed for third-party apps, your phone will now install AyaBlocks. To ensure the app is safe for your phone, Google Play Store will scan the app to see if it is safe to be used. It is very safe as Google will tell you it is after the scan. The scan is complete and now you can open the app and play AyaBlocks. Enjoy the game and please tell others about the fun you are having with it.